Right, let us look at this question here. So they're saying a coin is tossed twice. Draw a tree diagram to show all the possible outcomes and corresponding probability. Okay, so we know that a coin has two sides. It has a tail and then it has a head. Okay, so this coin is tossed what? Twice. So there's this first toss here. So if you toss this coin, it can either land on tail or it can either land on what? Head. Okay, so what is the probability that it lands on tail, and what is the probability that it lands on what? Head. Okay, so the total possible outcomes here, there are just two, and then the one favoring the tail is just one. So it means the probability here will just be 1 over 2. Then the probability here, okay, the probability here will just be what? 1 over 2. Okay, so that's the probability. And then we can also do our second toss. So this was the first toss. Okay, then let's do our second toss, because they say this coin is tossed twice. So okay, if we got tail at the first toss, okay, in the second toss we can get tail or head. And if we got head in the first toss, it means in the second one we can also get what? The tail or the head. So this will be the tail, this one will be the head, this one will be the tail, this one will be the head. So the probabilities here won't change. Okay, here the probability will still be 1 over 2, even there it will still be 1 over 2, because you are doing another toss. Okay, so even here we are going to have 1 over 2, even there 1 over 2. Okay, so those are the probabilities that we have. So here at the end you can write down all the probabilities that you can get. Okay, so the probability of getting tail and then tail again would just be, okay, half multiplied by half. So that would be 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2, which will give us 1 over 4. What about the probability of getting tail and then head? That will be 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 2. So this will just be 1 over 4. What about the probability of getting head and then tail? It will be 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 is equals to 1 over 4. And then the probability of getting head and then head, okay, so here I should have written head like that. The probability of getting head and then head again is just 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, which will give us 1 over 4. So the probabilities here, they will be all equal. Okay, so this is the tree diagram there. Okay, so you've answered the first part, and then they are saying show all the corresponding probabilities. So these here are the corresponding probabilities. And that's all for this video. If you'd like to register for our online classes, feel free to check the description there.